Oh, she's too low to start. These little batteries, these motorcycle batteries in these GY6 or GET based scooters, they don't last more than a couple of years, honestly. Now this one here has been doing really good. Had pretty good luck with it, but it's had its time. It's probably 3 years old. We don't ride this bike that much. We take it to the beach with us, cruise around on it. It's kind of cool to have a Vespa on the beach. So it'll sit around in the garage a lot. And the last thing I want is for this battery to die while I'm out away from home, because then you're stuck going to Walmart and getting one of those overpriced batteries. Batteries. There we go. What the hell? $95? Good grief. Look at that little teeny one. $54. That'd be too small. $94? Ooh, that's the size I was looking for right here. Holy crap. I wonder if Amazon's got a better deal. Yeah, I've used these before. This Hiyomoto. That's Hiyomoto Power. You can find these on Amazon, and they're pretty darn cheap. And I've bought cheap batteries on Amazon before. I think I bought Pirate batteries. Had really bad luck. It only lasted about 6 months. I've used this Hiyomoto in my other gas scooters and had real good luck with them, and they're super cheap. Like $30-something, so you can't beat that. Get them on Amazon Prime. Get them quick. And before I install a battery, I like to charge it up. These things have been sitting on a shelf for a while. So for the Vespa, it's the 6M F7L, but it's actually the size is that YTX7L. Your battery's underneath this panel right here. 4 T25 torque screws. That just lifts right off. Then you're going to need a T30 to get the hold down strap off. 5/16 or 8 millimeters for those. And it slides right out. Then slide the new battery in. We're gonna add a battery maintainer. So I've already marked that plus and negative. I just made one of the ends longer. When you get the battery maintainer, it'll come with these eyelets that go on your battery so you can hook it up. And I routed it down here kind of through the frame. You can route it however you want. Yeah, there's all sorts of little plugs and holes in a Vespa you can use right in front of the engine pivot. I just brought the charging wire down. I'm just gonna let it hang like that. This got a little cover on it, but you can get these things on Amazon too, and they're pretty cheap. And the chargers come with the piece right here that stays on your bike. And that way you don't have to take that crazy top cover off every time to charge your battery. Then you just plug it in and keep your battery maintained. Yeah, these battery maintainers, that's the way to go. Just leave it plugged in, it's automatic, and it turns itself off when it's charged. It's a real slow charge, so it's not bad for the battery. And you see all that corrosion on that ground connector? That will create havoc. That'll keep your battery from charging, that'll keep your starter from starting, that'll give you all sorts of fits. The positive one doesn't look that bad. I like to go ahead and clean those off with the wire brush. Let's use a little drill with a brush on it. And put it all back together. Put the cover back on. All right. Much better.